Let us start exercise 2.2 standard 7 fractions and decimal. Here question 1, which of the drawing from A to D show the pattern given or show the fraction given here. So here we are given 4 fractions 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to check that which one of this is represented by the figures given below beta. So it's quite easy beta, but here we have to understand, we have to check that. See example question 1. Here we have to check for the fraction beta 1 by 5 from the given figures, which fraction or which figure represents 1 by 5. Here 1 by 5. Here 1. The numerator is given 1. Okay. So first we will see 1 and 5. So from the given figure, which figure is divided into 5 parts? One body is divided into 5 parts. See here, for if we will take question 1, means question A, it has 3 parts. The body, each body is divided into 3 different parts beta. See for figure A, see, okay, 1, 2 and 3, it is divided into 3 parts. Okay, so it can be written like 1 by 3, so it is not the answer. Here one body is divided into 2 parts, so it is 1 by 2. Okay. Similarly, last one here, it is divided into 4 parts beta. Seen carefully. And here beta, it is divided into 5 parts. Here see, one body is divided into 5 parts. So this represents the given question. Okay, represents the question. See here, one body is divided into 5 parts, so it represents 1 by 5, and there are total 2 bodies. So it is 2 multiplied by 1 by 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of that 1 is covered, so it is 1. 5 parts. Out of that 1 is shaded, so it is 1 by 5. And there are 2 figures beta, so it is represented by 2 into 1 by 5. Out of 5 parts, 1 is shaded and 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So we can say it is 2 into 1 by 5. Okay. So here the answer for D is 1. Okay. Let us check for question 2. 1 by 2. Let us check the remaining 3 figures. Which figure is divided into 2 parts? One body is divided into 2 parts. Means out of 2, 1 is shaded. So let us see 1 by 1. Directly we can see B beta. In B, 2 parts are given and 1 is shaded. So it is 1 by 2. And there are total 2 figures. Okay, 1 is shaded out of 2. So it can be said that 1 by 2 fractions. Okay, and there are total 2 fractions and 1 by 2. Okay, so it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 2 times, so it is 2 into 1 by 2. So second number is represented by B. Okay, and B here we will write down 2. For let us check for 3. 2 parts are shaded out of 3. The body is divided into 3 parts, and out of that 3 parts, 2 are shaded. Which one is like that figure beta? So A, directly we can see here. See, 2 parts are shaded. There are 3 parts total, and out of that 3 parts, 2 parts are shaded in each one, and there are total 3 figures. 2 are shaded out of 3. See beta? And there are 3 figures. So the answer of 3 is A. Okay. Here we will write down 3. For fourth, 1 by 4. Only 1 is left. Still we will check. See here beta, 1 is shaded out of 4. Okay. And there are 3 figures. Okay, 4 parts are there and 1 is shaded out of it. Okay, and there are total 3 figures. Okay, so it is 3 into 1 by 4. Okay, let us move to question 2. Some pictures, same type of question, some pictures A to C are given and we have to tell which figure is representing the given number. Okay, so first one, let us see question 1. 1 by 5 beta, which figure represents 1 by 5? Out of 5 parts, one body is divided into 5 parts, and out of that 5, one is shaded. Which one is the figure? See, let us check by one for all A, B and C. Okay, total 5 parts, and out of that 5 parts, one is shaded. So directly we will see C beta, here one is shaded, there are total 5 parts and one is shaded. Okay, so it is 1 by 5. Okay, and there are how many figures? See, total 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now multiplying them, does it give the answer 3 by 5? Let us check for the answer. Here see, in the answer 3 parts are shaded out of 5. Okay, so the answer is out of 5, 3 are shaded. We can see here. Okay, so for the first answer is A, and C beta, 1 is C, and here we will write down 1. Now let us move to question 2. 1 by 3, out of 3 parts, 1 is shaded. Let us check. Out of 3 parts, 1 is shaded. For which figure? We have left 2 figures, A and B. Yes, here beta, see, 3 figures are given, and out of that 1 is shaded. 3 parts are given and one of them is shaded. Okay, so it represents 1 by 3, and there are total 2 figures. For both the figures it is 1 by 3, 1 and 2 figures. Okay, so it is 2 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3 gives 2 by 3. In the answer also beta, see, 3 parts are given and out of that 2 are shaded. Okay, so answer for second one is A. Okay, here we will write down 2. It's obvious beta. For the third answer, the remaining one is B. We can directly say it B, but still we will check is the answer correct or not. Okay, see, out of 4, 3 parts are shaded for each one, so it represents 3 by 4. There the figure is divided into 4 parts, and out of 4, 3 are shaded, and there are total 3 figures, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now adding all of them, we will get 2 integer 1 by 4. Okay, so see, here we have the 2 whole figures are given, 2 whole figures are shaded given, and the last figure is given in present of 1 by 4. We can divide 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, out of 4 parts, 9 are shaded. Okay, so answer 3 is B. Here also we will write down 2. Let us move to question 3. Here we have to multiply, and if possible we have to reduce it to the smallest form or lowest form. Okay, and if necessary we have to also convert it into mixed fraction. Here spelling of convert is wrong and is left beta, so add it yourself. 7 into 3 by 5, it's easy beta. Here remember it, we have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Here denominator is not given, so we will put 1. We know that if the thing is given we can put 1. Now we have to multiply numerator into numerator, that is 7 into 3, and denominator into denominator. Okay, 5 into 1. You can see easily beta. Let us do it. 7 multiplied by 3 and 1 multiplied by 5. Okay, so let us start and do the sum here. 7 multiplied by 3 is 21 and 5 ones are 5. So this is the answer, 21 by 5. Now we have to convert. First check it is convertible into lowest form or not. Is anything to be cut? Simple, I can say in this word 21 cannot be divided by 5, so we will have to leave it, but we can convert it into mixed fraction here beta. Okay, 21 can be divided by 5. Let us divide 21 divided by 5. Okay, if we multiply 5 by 4, we will get 20 and 1 will be the remainder. Okay, (21) divided by 5, we will get 4 are 20 and 1 is the remainder. We will rearrange the terms. 5 will come as a denominator, 4 will come as an integer or a whole number, and 1 will come on the top or in the numerator. So the answer will be 4 integer 1 by 5. Okay, let us see question number 2. 4 into 1 by 3. Nothing is given in the denominator of 4, so we will write down 1 in place of it. Now 4 into 1, that is 4, and 3 into 1, it is 3. Here also we have to convert into mixed fraction because we cannot convert into the lowest form. Okay, so let us divide 4 by 3. We will get 3 ones are 3 and 1 is the remainder. So changing the place, 3 will come in the denominator, the 1 will go in the whole number, and 1 for the numerator. So answer is 1 integer 1 by 3. Question 3, let us see. 2 into 6 by 7. Here also 1 we will put in the denominator of 2. Now 2 6 are 12 and 7 ones are 7. Okay, so the answer is 12 by 7. Here also beta, both numbers are not divisible by same number, so it cannot be converted in simple form. So we will convert into mixed fraction. 12 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7 and 5 will be the remainder. Let us change. 7 will come in the denominator, 1 will come as a whole number, and 5 as a numerator. Okay, so it is 1 integer 5 by 7, the final answer. Let us see fourth. 5 into 2 by 9. Here also we will put 1 as a denominator and 2 by 9. 5 into 2 by 9. 5 2s are 10 and 9 ones are 9. Again same thing, we cannot convert into lowest form. We will divide it into mixed fraction. 10 by 9, 10 divided by 9, we will get 9 ones are 9 and 1 will be the remainder. Arranging the terms, 9 in denominator, 1 in whole number, and 1 in numerator. 1 integer 1 by 9. Okay. Fifth, 2 by 3 into 4. Same way we will put 1 in the denominator of 4. 4 2s are 8 and 3 ones are 3. Let us convert into mixed fraction. We have to divide 8 by 3. Okay, so 8 divided by 3, we will get 3 2s are 6 and 2 will be the remainder. 3 will come in denominator and the 2 will as a whole number and 2 in the numerator. So answer will be 2 integer 2 by 3. Sixth, 5 by 2 into 6. So here also 6, we will put denominator of 6, 1. So 6 5s are, we can cut 2 3s are here also, and now in numerator we have 5 into 3. The numerator becomes 5 1 and here it becomes 3 by 1. So 5 3s are 15 and 1 1s are 1. Okay. In another way beta, we can multiply both, so it will become 30 here and 2 1s are 2. Now we can convert into simple form. 2 15s are 30. So in both the methods we can get the same answer, 15. Okay, you can do any method beta. You can cut first or afterwards. First we can multiply and afterwards we can divide, or we can divide and then multiply. 11 into 7 by 4 or 4 by 7, sorry beta. Here 11 4s are 44 and 7 1s are 7. Let us convert into mixed fraction. 44 divided by 7. Okay, 7 6 are 42 and 2 will be the remainder. So 7 will come in the denominator, 6 as a whole number, and 2 will come as a numerator. So answer will be 6 integer 2 by 7. 20 into 4 by 5. Here you can apply the same method as we have done in the 6th number. Okay, either multiply first or divide first. 5 4s are cut. Now in first fraction we have 4 by 1 into 4 by 1, that is 16 by 1. 4 4s are 16 and 1 1s are 1. Okay, so the final answer will be 16. 13 into 1 by 3, we will put 1 in a denominator of 13. Now 13 1s are 13 and 3 1s are 3. So answer will be 13 by 3. We will divide it into mixed fraction here again. So let us divide 13 by 3. We will get 3 4s are 12 and 1 will be the remainder. Okay, so 3 will come in the denominator, 4 will go as a whole number, and 1 will come in the numerator. So final answer will be 4 integer 1 by 3. Okay, let us see next one. 10th 15 into 3 by 5. Here by the same way we will put denominator and we will cut if possible 5. Here we can cut 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So 3 is left. So here 3 in by 1 into 3 by 1. So 3 3s are 9 and by 1. So final answer is 9. Let us see next question beta. Okay, question number 4. Here we have to say it from the given figure. We have to say it ourselves from the given figure. Here 1 by 2 of the circles in a box A means half of the circles. Let us count total circles here given 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Total 12 circles are given. We have to divide it into 1 by 2 parts, so we will have to multiply it by 1 by 2. 12 into 1 by 2, we can cut out the number as we have done earlier. Okay, so let us see what is the answer here. We will put 1 here, and if we can cut out, we will cut. Yes beta, see here 12 by 2, 2 6 are cut. So we have to say 6 circles here for question 1. We can put dots. We have to say 6 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Remember it, how to count the number of circles to be shaded. Same for the triangle, we have to shade 2 by 3 of the triangles. So total there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 triangles. 9 multiplied by 2 by 3. Okay, so if you cut out, we will get the answer here. Okay, 9 into 2 by 3. So we will get the answer. Here we will put 1. 9 3 3s we can cut, or we will multiply 18. 9 to the 18 by 3. So here we will 3 we can cut out by 6. So we have to shade 6 triangles here also. So let us shade the 6 triangles here. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 triangles. Okay, this is the answer. Let us see for question number 3. 3 by 5 of the squares in the box. How many squares are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. There are 15 squares. Out of that we have to shade 3 by 5. So we have to multiply it by 3 by 5. So here we will multiply it. 15 3s are 45 by 5. 5 1s are 5. 45 by 5. Okay, and we can cut out 5 9s are. So it will be 45. Okay, so we have to shade 9 squares. Let us shade the 9 squares here. 1 2, let us shade it. 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so this is your answer. We have to say 9 squares to get the answer. Let us move towards the next question. Question number 5 beta. Keep writing in your notebook, don't make it rough work. Okay, and try to learn as much as you can, and if it's not possible then see the video 2 or 3 times. Let us start with question 5 here. Okay, here we have to find out a 1 by 2 of 24 and 1 by 2 of 46 both beta. Okay, so first we will have to multiply 1 by 2 by 24. Okay, 1 by 2 of 24, so that is 1 by 2 into 24. If possible we will cut out or we will solve it. Both methods are possible here beta. So we will put 1 in the denominator of 24, so we will get the answer. As we need the denominator to make it fraction, so let us see what happens here. Is 24 divisible by 2? Yes, 24 12s are. Okay, you remember it. Now we will multiply. Here we have 1 and here we have 12. So first is 1 by 1 into 12 by 1. Okay, so 12 into 1 12 and 1 1 the 1. Okay, so final answer will be 12. Let us see for the question number 2 of the same part. Okay, now 1 by 2 of 46. Let us check it. 1 by 2 into 46. We will put denominator 1 here. And now let us try to cut it. Is it possible? Yes beta. 46 we can divide it by 2. 2 into 23. Okay. So now here for the first fraction we have left 1 by 1 into 23 by 1. So 1 into 23 is equal to 23 and 1 1 is 1. So 23 by 1 and the final answer will be 23. Okay. So let us see for question B. Same way 2 by 3 of 18. So 2 by 3 into 18 by 1. 3 6 are, yes we can cut here also. 3 6 are 18. Now for the first fraction we have left 2 by 1 and for the second fraction we have 6 by 1. Okay, so now we will multiply 2 6 are 12 and 1 1 are 1. So the final answer will be 12. Let us check it for question second part of this, that is 27. 2 by 3 of 27. 2 by 3 into 27 by 1. Again we can cut out here also beta. 27 by 3, so yes we can cut 3 9s are good beta. 3 9s are 27. So here 2 by 1 left for the first fraction and 9 by 1 for the second fraction. Okay, so let us see. We will put the values 2 by 1 into 9 by 1. Okay, now let us multiply. 2 9s are 18 and 1 1s are 1. Okay, so the final answer will be 18. Okay, third one C, 3 by 4 of 16 and 3 by 4 of 36. Let us see 3 by 4 into 16. We will put 1 as a denominator here. We can cut, yes, 4 4s are we can cut here. 4 4s are 16. So for first fraction we have left 3 by 1 into 4 by 1. Now we will multiply 3 into 4, 12 and 1 1 is 1. So final answer will be 12. Let us check it for the second part. 3 by 4 into 36. Let us put 1 here in the denominator. 4 9s are, okay, 4 1s are 4 and 4 9s are 36. So 9 is left. So for the first fraction we have 3 by 1 and second one we have 9 by 1. Okay, so it is 27 by 1. So final answer will be 27. Okay, let us check for D, 4 by 5 of 20. Okay, you can do it as your homework. Let us see question 6. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. First we have to multiply and then we have to express as a mixed fraction. Here some questions are already given in mixed fraction. First we have to convert it into improper fraction, okay, and then we will multiply, and then at last final answer will be converted into mixed fraction. So here 3 into 5 5 are 25 plus 1, remember it, multiply denominator into whole number and then add to the numerator. 5 5 are 25 plus 1, so we will get 26, okay. 5 5 are 25 plus 1, 26 by 5. If possible we will cut anything, but here it is not possible to cut anything, so we will put denominator 3 into 26 and 5 into 1, okay. Here we will first check is it possible to cut, not, then we will move further, okay. So here 3 into 26 and 5 into 1, let us multiply it. 26 3s are, we will get the answer 70. 6 is 18 plus 1, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 78 by 5. Now we also have to convert this into mixed fraction, beta, remember it. So we will have to divide 78 by 5, okay. Let us divide 78 by 5. 5 ones are 5, we have left 2 as a reminder, we will take 8 downside. Now 5 5s are 25 and remainder is 3. So the final answer will be 5 will come in the denominator, 15 will come as a whole number, and 3 will go as a numerator, okay. So final answer is 15 integer 3 by 5. Next question, 5 into 6 integer 3 by 4. 5 into 6 integer 3 by 4. Let us convert first into improper fraction. So 5 into 6 4s are 24, and then we have to add it to the 3. 4 into 6 24 plus 3, so it is 27 by 4, okay. So we will put denominator 1 for the 5, and there is nothing to be cut out here also, beta. So we will multiply the numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. 5 into 27 and 1 into 4. 27 5s are, we will get the answer 7 5s are 35, carry 3, 5 2 are 10 plus 1 3 13, 135 by 4. Again beta, we have to convert it into mixed fraction here, so let us do it. 135 divided by 4, 135 by 4. 4 3s are, we can put it 12, so 1 will be left and 5 will take down, so 4 3s are 12, 3 will be the remainder, okay. So arranging it, 4 will come in the denominator, 33 will go as a whole number, and 3 will come in the numerator. So final answer is 33 integer 3 by 4, okay. Let us check it for the third. 7 into 2 integer 1 by 4. First we will convert 2 integer 1 by 4 into mixed fraction to improper. 7 into 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. Remember it, 4 to the 8 plus 1 9 by 4. We will put denominator, nothing is cut out here, so 9 we will multiply into 7, okay. 9 7s are and 4 1s are. Same way 9 7s are, we know the answer, 7 9s are 63 and 4 1s are 4. Let us convert it into mixed fraction. 63 divided by 4, 6 1s are 4 1s are 4, 2 is left, and 3 we will take down, 4 5s are 20, 3 will be the remainder. Arranging it into, so 4 will come in the denominator, 15 will go as a whole number, and 3 will come in the numerator. So final answer will be 15 integer 3 by 4. Question is 4 into 6 integer 1 by 3. So we will convert it into improper. 6 is 18 plus 1 19 by 3. So 4 into 19 by 3 and put 1 as a denominator of 4. Now we have to multiply 4 into 19 and 3 into 1. 19 into 4 gives us 73. 6, and 3 into 1 3. 19 4s are 76 by 3. Now we have to convert 76 by 3 into mixed fraction, so divide it. 3 to the 6, remainder 1, and 6 take down. 3 5 are 15, remainder 1. Arranging it, 3 will come in the denominator, 25 as a whole number, and 1 as a numerator. So final answer is 25 integer 1 by 3. Next question 5. 3 integer 1 by 4. 4 3 are 12 plus 1 13. Okay, we will convert 3 4 are 12 plus 1 13 by 4 into 6. We will put 1 as a denominator of 6. Now we have to multiply 13. Here we can cut out. If we check it here, 2 yes, both of them can be cut out. 2 2s are and 2 3s are. So now the fraction is 13 by 2 and here 3 by 1. So let us write down 13 by 2 into 3 by 1. Okay, so 13 into 3 we have to multiply, and 2 into 1. 13 3s are 39 by 2. Okay, and now we will convert it into mixed fraction. Dividing 39 by 2, we will get 2 1s are 2, 1 left, taking 9 downside, 2 9s are 18, 1 remainder. Arranging the terms, 2 will come in the denominator, 19 will come as a whole number, and 1 as a numerator. So final answer is 19 integer 1 by 2. Sixth one, you can do it yourself beta, so try it yourself as a homework. Let us start 7th. Again 1 by 2 of 2 integer 3 by 4. We have done this type of sum earlier. Let us do it. 1 by 2 into 2 integer 3 by 4. First we have to convert this into improper fraction, mixed to improper. Let us put it. 1 by 2, 4 2 is 8 plus 3 11 by 4. 4 2 is 8 plus 3 11 by 4. Now nothing can be cut out here, so we will have to multiply. 11 1 is 11 and 4 2 is 8. Converting it into mixed fraction, we will have to divide it. Okay, next one, 1 by 2 into 4 integer 2 by 9. Let us convert it to improper fraction first. 1 by 2 into 9 4 is 36 plus 2 38 by 9. We can cut out here beta by 2. Okay, by 18, 38 by 18. Both of them can be cut out beta by 2. See here, 2 9s and 2, imagine beta, 19s. Okay, so the final answer will be 19 by 9. Converting it into mixed fraction, dividing 19 by 9, 9 2s are 18 and remainder will be 1. Arranging the terms, 9 will come in the denominator, 2 will come as a whole number, and 1 as a numerator. So final answer is 2 integer 1 by 9. Check out, I have written it. Second one, 5 by 8 into 3 integer 5 by 6. Let us do it. 5 by 8 into 3 integer 5 by 6. Let us first convert into improper fraction. 5 by 8 into 6 3 is 18 plus 5 23 by 6. Let us check if anything is cut out. No beta, we cannot cut anything here. Check it. So we will have to multiply 23 into 5 and 8 by 6. Okay, let us directly multiply it. 23 5 are 5 3 are 15, carry 1, 5 2 are 10, 11, so 115, and 8 6 are 48. Let us convert into mixed fraction. 115 divided by 48. 48 2s are 96. So subtracting it, we will have to borrow 15 minus 6 9, and 10 minus 1 9 1. Okay, so remainder is 19. Arranging the terms, we will get 48 as a denominator, 2 as a whole number, and 19 as a remainder. So final answer is 2 integer 19 by 48. Second one, 5 by 8 into 9 integer 2 by 3. Here converting into improper, 5 by 8 into 9 3 are 27 plus 2 29 by 3. Okay, again beta, nothing can be cut out here. Okay, no number is divisible by each other. We will multiply 29 5s are and 8 3s are. 29 5s are 9 5s are 45, carry 1, carry 4 14 145, 8 3s are 24. Again beta, let us arrange into improper to mixed fraction. So dividing 145 by 24, 24 6 are 144. So the remainder will be 1. Arranging the terms, we will get 24 as a denominator, 6 as a whole number, and 1 as a numerator. So answer is 6 integer 1 by 24. Okay, so let us move further. 8th question. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of water. Pratap consumed remaining water. How much water Vidya drink, and what fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So let us solve it. Okay, remember it better, read the question properly first yourself. So we will see Vidya has drink 2 by 5 part of the water and Pratap consumed the remaining water. So first we have to find out how much water did the Vidya drink. The total amount of water in the bottle was 5 liters. Okay, so 2 by 5 part Vidya has drink out of total 5 liters. So let us convert, let us multiply it and find out the answer of question 1. So number 1 answer, amount of water 5 liters. Total water is 5 liter. Vidya drink, or we can say Vidya consumed 2 by 5 part of the water, total water. So 2 by 5 of 5 liters. So 2 by 5 into 5 of 5 liters. So we can write down 2 by 5 into 5. So we will get the answer. We can cut out 5 by 5. 5 and 5 we will cut out. So left 2 by 1. So 2 liters of water is consumed by the Vidya. Okay. So and the remaining part is consumed by the Pratap. Okay. So what now we have to find out the fraction of the quantity consumed by the Pratap. So first we will say how much water has Pratap consumed. Let us find out. Out of 5 liters Pratap has consumed, you can say to find out you have to subtract the amount Vidya consumed from the total amount of water. So we will get the answer of the amount consumed by the Pratap. So number of bottles is equal to 1. Pratap consumed is equal to 1 minus 2 by 5 part. Okay, we are directly dividing it into the fraction. So total water, total amount of, we will take 1. Here for solving we will have to take the LCM as we have done in earlier exercise, as we have to subtract the fractions. So here we will have to take the LCM here. So we will get 5 as a LCM. We have to multiply here by 5 minus 2 by 5. So we will get 3 by 5 part is consumed by Pratap. Okay, it's easy beta, you can do it by different methods also. So 3 by 5 part is consumed by Pratap. Okay, so amount is equal to 3 by 5 into total water, that is 5 liters. 3 by 5 of 5, so 3 by 5 into 5, 5 cut out, so amount of water Pratap consume is 3 liters. Okay, and Vidya consume is 2 liters. We can get both the answers beta in different manner, different method also you can do the sum beta. Okay, so don't worry, you must get the final answer correctly, otherwise it's easy beta. Here I am just showing you the method I have done. What fraction, the what fraction of the total quantity of water Pratap consumed? The fraction is 3 by 5 and the amount is 3 liters. Okay, write down this everything in your notebook. Okay, and don't make it rough as a rough work. You have to make the fair notebook and write down all the exercises in your fair notebook and write down fairly. Okay, so let us see you on next Saturday.